Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit news video using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to create new project on CapCut and then I'm going to search for news intro. You can go to the CapCut library and then you're going to choose the news intro that you like or that is suitable for your video. And I'm just going to choose this one. Make sure that you have internet connection to download a video from CapCut library. Okay, and wait, I'm going to delete the CapCut ending. And then I'm going to add my news video. I'm going to click on this plus icon and then again I'm going to use a video from the CapCut library. I'm going to choose the live category and then I'm going to select this one. Okay, and click on add and then I'm going to cut the video here. I'm going to split and delete to make it shorter. Okay, and then I'm going to add another video again from the CapCut library because I don't have any footage to be edited. Okay, and I'm going to cut it here. You can add your news video guys and you can combine your news video. Okay, done for the intro and then I'm going to add headline. I'm going to go to the text, select text, and I'm going to add my text here. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the style menu and select bubble. Wait, where is it? Let's go to effect. Oh, right here. Choose bubble and then you can scroll down until you find the bubble for your news video. And I'm going to choose, for example, this one. Okay, and then I'm going to add the headline right here. Okay, and wait, let me change my text, guys. I'm going to change the alignment for the text. Go to style, and then I'm going to go to the alignment. Where is it? Okay. Get done, and I'm going to play it. Okay, let me adjust it. And I think I need to add like transition. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. And wait, I'm going to make it bigger like this. Okay, and to make it more captivating guys, you can add like music. Okay, like this. Wait, I'm going to add music. Let's go to the sound and then I'm going to search news sound. All right, I'm going to add this music. Okay, and let's play it guys. Okay. And you can keep editing until you're satisfied with the result. Okay guys, and that's all the video today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.